Basic speaking sentence. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Navjith. Nice to meet you. Good morning. Good night. See you later. At home. I am hungry. Can I have some water, please? I am tired. I need to use the bathroom. I finished my homework. Can you help me, please? I love you, mom and dad. At, at school. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? May I go to the toilet? I forgot my notebook. I know the answer. Please be quiet. Let's work together. Good manners. Please. Thank you. You are welcome. Sorry. Excuse me. It's okay. May I come in? Can I play with you? In can of trouble. In case of trouble. I don't feel well. I am lost. That hurts. Someone is being mean. I need help. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.